Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a GoPro camera with Quik app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your GoPro camera is fully charged and powered on. Download the Quik app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Open the Quik app on your smartphone. Ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled before proceeding. From the Quik app's home screen, tap on the option to connect a new camera. Select your GoPro camera model from the list provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the pairing process. The app will display a QR code that you need to scan with your GoPro camera. To scan the QR code, navigate to the GoPro's preference settings. Select the Pair or Connect option from the Settings menu. Once the QR code appears on your smartphone, hold your GoPro in front of the screen to scan it. Wait for the camera to confirm the connection. Once the connection is established, the Quik app will notify you. You may now be prompted to complete any necessary updates for your camera. Follow the instructions on the app to update if an update is available. After updating, your GoPro is fully authorized and linked to the Quik app. You can now access your camera settings, view photos, and videos directly from the app. Explore the features available within the Quik app to maximize your GoPro experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.